You're looking at cow burps, detected from space. Satellites have detected methane emissions from belching cows at a California feedlot. It's the first time emissions from livestock, a major component of agricultural methane, could be measured from space. And the company doing it, environmental data firm GHGSat, says the accuracy of their satellite readings is needed to track greenhouse gas emissions from cattle farming. Agriculture is a major source of methane, a greenhouse gas that's many times more potent than carbon dioxide. Cattle farming, notably beef production, is responsible for 3.7% of all emissions, with the world's 1.4 billion cows each burping up to 500 litres of methane per day. That's according to the UN Food Agency. At the 2021 climate talks, more than 100 countries pledged to cut methane emissions by 30% by 2030.
And this is all part of our new methane strategy, which focuses on reducing the largest source of methane emissions while putting thousands of skilled workers on the job all across the United States, and I expect in your countries as well.
Several methods to reduce livestock methane emissions are being tested, including adding seaweed to cattle diets. But agricultural methane emissions are hard to measure. And GHGSat says accurate measurement is vital to set enforceable reduction targets for the beef production industry. The company says their high-resolution satellites can pinpoint and measure the amount of planet-warming methane produced by cattle, while orbiting at an altitude of 300 miles. GHGSat provides its data to the United Nations International Methane Emissions Observatory Programme. The company currently has 3 satellites in orbit, with 3 more scheduled to launch with SpaceX in May 2022.